Good morning to one and all present here. Today, we are going to see about spatial data mining. Spatial data mining, it's one of the applications which is used in the cluster methods. So spatial in the sense will be having the geographical method that has to be taken care for particular location to be calculated with the help of the datasets and the data association inlets. Examples like map, satellite image, GPS data, and other geographical locations. Today, we are going to see some case study with students about the spatial data mining. Let's see the case study.
Hello everyone, this is Kavirasi. My team members are Fargan, Sham and Ajay. Let's see the case study on spatial data mining for optimizing the DMARC store location. Let's see the overview of this case study. Spatial data mining is a meaningful pattern and relationship from geographical data, and it plays a crucial role like decision making, location based service like retail, urban planning, and also the logistics. For a long retail chain like DMart, we use spatial data mining is essential and efficient for network expansion. Next is the problem statement. Our problem statement is DMart aim to expand the presence of metropolitan area and need to identify the most profitable and customer convenience locations for new stores. Nowadays, the challenge was to be an analyze such as customer distribution, competitor percent is very high, like Reliance Smart and Big Bazaar, etc. And also the population density and the traffic flow. Okay, can you tell me what are the methods involved to measure the metropolitan city, which is best for the customer, like that you have said, right? So, what are the methods involved?
In the spatial data mining, we use traditional methods such as questionnaires and surveys based on the maps and evaluations and previous customers segments and etc. Now, why we use manual surveys in the DMARC is because it doesn't lack spatial awareness and it has very scalability. Because if you use manual observations only in data mining things, it lacks spatial awareness, it has many limitations. But we use in the spatial data mining concept, it includes many awareness and spatial awareness, and it has many scalabilities, and it can prove more compatibility to the other users.
Okay, someone tell how the data mark, DMARC you have taken, right? Retail company, right? So from the DMARC, how this traditional methods are using? How they have improved?
First, they implement the questionnaires and surveys using the past uses of the DMARC customers. They asked about them how we can change the exemplary and the concept of the companies. And according to the surveys and the methods, they create the more useful concept because this spatial data mining conceptually used on the geographical patterns. So if you use the data complexity, the many customer segments and many areas, we can create a new variation of ideas, and we can elaborate our message to many people.
Now we can see why we use the data. Why we use spatial data mining? Because spatial data mining it will automatically analyze the geospatial data, and it is a decision of intent patterns.
Intent patterns. Okay. So in DMARC, how it is using? Is using and telling some techniques, right? So in a DMARC, how they are that means the retail company, how they are utilizing it?
They utilize the spatial data mining by applying the techniques manually, not a dynamical process, but in manually. They use physical measures such as they go in asking like empathy questions and many possibility answers, so that they can convey the messages, and they can elaborate the message to other people.
For a long retail chain like DMart, is essential and efficient for store and network expansion. Someone can mention.
We see about spatial data mining proved to be a highly effective by analyzing customer distribution, local infrastructure, competition, and demographic trends. DMart was able to select a store location for education. Spatial data analysis reported 28% external methods.